This 2020 Winnebago Vista 32YE is a Class A RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 31 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleep 7, external shower, awning, DVD player, LP detector, skylight, oven, air conditioning, TV, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, and 64 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2020 Winnebago Vista 32YE is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.